Shrike bird species names: red-backed shrike, brown shrike, long-tailed shrike, tiger shrike, bull-headed shrike, wood-chat shrike, great grey shrike, southern grey shrike, lesser grey shrike, masked shrike, Turkestan shrike, Isabeline shrike, Fiscal shrike, northern white-crowned shrike, southern white-crowned shrike, black-headed gonolic, yellow-crowned gonolic, loggerhead shrike, northern shrike, Chinese grey shrike, bay-backed shrike, black-headed shrike.